The paper gets jammed inside the printer using ADF functions. Today I will tell you what is the solution. Let's start. First of all, we have to try to do scan of the paper with the help of ADF function. You can see paper has jammed. If paper is stuck from the side corner, after stuck, machine give you a message document jam. If I open top tray, you can see that the paper has stuck somewhere. Backside of this ADF system is also seen paper. This paper is coming out. It's mean there is something stuck. If you see properly, you can see there is a one piece of paper has stuck. This was the paper that was trapped inside the machine. You can see the stapler pin also there. Let's start one more time. After the resolving, let me put one page to scan. This machine has started to scan this paper. Now finally it is working fine. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, so you must share with your friends.